Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to plus any number in Excel. So you can very easily plus any number in Excel. So firstly you need to like this 22 by 22 plus by 22 and simply type here number. You need to plus it. Now select this first text, this first number. Now this second number and press enter. So very easily you can plus it any number. Firstly you need to click on this first, type your number and is equal to sign and select this first number and shift plus to type this plus sign and second number and press enter. So very easily you can plus in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video will be work for you or not.